This video has been re-edited to help improve your English skills. It has been reorganized into 3 different segments, each with varying levels of sentence structure and vocabulary. The first segment is designed with sentence construction and vocabulary suitable for 6th to 8th grade American students. The second segment is aimed at 9th to 10th grade levels, with more advanced language usage. The final segment is tailored for 11th to 12th grade or college-level students, featuring AP-level English sentences and vocabulary. This video was created to assist you in your English vocabulary studies, and after the third segment, there will be an explanation of important advanced vocabulary.
Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen made a big discovery in 1895 that changed how doctors help sick people. He found something called X-rays by accident while working with a special kind of tube in his lab. He saw a weird glow and figured out it was a new kind of ray. The coolest part? The first picture taken with X-rays was of his wife's hand. You could see her bones and her wedding ring. This showed everyone that X-rays could be used to look inside the body without having to cut it open. In no time, hospitals and doctors all over the world started using X-ray machines. This was a huge deal because it helped doctors find out what was wrong with people much faster and more safely. So Röntgen's finding wasn't just a lucky guess. It was a huge step forward for doctors and has helped a lot of people ever since.
In 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen stumbled upon a groundbreaking discovery that would transform the medical world: X-rays. This discovery wasn't planned. While Röntgen was experimenting with cathode ray tubes, he noticed an unexpected fluorescent glow. This observation led him to identify a new type of ray, which he named X-ray due to its unknown nature. One of the most fascinating aspects of this discovery was the first X-ray image ever taken, which was of Röntgen's wife's hand. This image, showing the bones of her hand and her wedding ring, was not only a personal moment, but also a pivotal point in medical history. It demonstrated the potential of X-rays to see inside the human body without surgery, opening up new possibilities for diagnosis and treatment. The spread of X-ray technology was astonishingly quick. Within just a year of Röntgen's discovery, X-ray machines were being used by medical professionals around the globe. This rapid adoption underscores the significant impact of X-rays on healthcare, providing doctors with a powerful tool to diagnose and treat patients more effectively. Overall, Röntgen's accidental discovery of X-rays marked a major advancement in medical science. It revolutionized the way doctors diagnose and treat illnesses, making it a critical milestone in the history of medicine.
The discovery of X-rays by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1895 was a landmark event in medical history, but there are several lesser-known yet fascinating aspects to this discovery. Röntgen's discovery was serendipitous. While experimenting with cathode ray tubes, he observed a fluorescent glow, leading him to theorize the existence of a new type of ray. Another intriguing fact is the first medical X-ray taken by Röntgen himself. It was an image of his wife's hand, which not only proved the medical potential of X-rays, but also astounded the world. The rapid global spread of X-ray technology post its discovery is remarkable. Within a year, X-ray machines were being used in medical settings around the world. In conclusion, the discovery of X-rays by Röntgen was more than an accidental finding. It revolutionized medical diagnosis and treatment, marking a new era in medical science. X-rays. The term X-ray is derived from X-radiation, where X represents the unknown. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen used the letter X to denote the unknown nature of this radiation when he discovered it in 1895, as it was a previously unknown form of electromagnetic radiation. X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation, similar to visible light, but with much higher energy levels. They have the ability to pass through many materials, including the human body, which makes them incredibly useful for medical imaging to see inside the body without surgery. Serendipitous. The term serendipitous comes from Serendip, an old name for Sri Lanka, used in the fairy tale The Three Princes of Serendip, whose heroes often made discoveries by accidents and sagacity. The word was coined by Horace Walpole in 1754 to describe discoveries made by accident and wisdom. Serendipitous means occurring or discovered by chance in a happy or beneficial way. It refers to finding something good without specifically looking for it. Fluorescent derives from the mineral fluorite, which often exhibits fluorescence, and the Latin fluere, meaning to flow. emitting light while being exposed to light or other electromagnetic radiation.